What's that?
A different flange.
Different flange for the differential.
A different phalange?
Differente la flange.
About that washer thing.
Can you
Going
say
on
that in
after.
English for non-French speakers?
It's a differential flange because our drive shaft is different. So you could have a 4-bolt or a 6-bolt flange. And because this is a race car, the more is better. Could I get a rag, please?
We got it, Ryan. But can you bring one of those pads?
Yeah.
Just underneath, thank you.
Oh, almost had it in the same exact spot. Ha! Check that out. It is the same exact spot because my lock washer goes into the same place. That's what I talk. That's what I'm talking about. Precision. Precision.
Oh, so you've been doing this for about 6 months.
That's it. I mean, I learned everything from Ryan, and he's been teaching me. He's been teaching me correct diff flange replacements like a boss. Look at that.
All right.
Beautiful job.
Let me.
You're in my way, honey. I don't see. Thank you.
I'm not see-through?
You're not see through. Where's the light?
You want my headlight?
Oh, I'm good.
It's in my bag and I never use it.
I'm good. I think we are golden. I'll put a little bit greasy inside. Pack the stuff in there. The schmutz. Alright, I'm gonna put some.
Why does it come in a bag?
Well, what is it supposed to come in? The box?
No, like a spray thing or I don't know.
No, this is actual boot grease. So we just want to make sure that we can put it in.
We should have a smellophone.
Diff drain diffs are so gross too.
We should have smellophones.
Yeah.
So people can smell this nasty stuff.
Definitely, you can definitely smell axle grease for sure.
Oh, it smells like poo. It really does. It smells like
And
cow
transmission fluid smells like cat pee.
poo. Yeah.
Like the really bad cat pee, if there's such.
Dehydrated cat.
Yeah, like nasty. Seriously.
How would you know that?
He has cats.
You do?
Who, Matt?
Matt, you have cats?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Too
Since-
many. There's 4 of them. It's a
Since
little
when?
Ryan doesn't know nothing about it because he has spoiled cats.
Well, yeah. I mean, Ryan's
crazy.
cats are like
Cats or something?
they are.
I'm ready to go up.
Hold on.
Oh.
It's not. You gotta line this up properly, bro. Like there.
All right.
Now you can lift it.
All right, good. All right. You got. Oop. All right.
And
Yep. No, I can. It's okay. Oop. You don't even need to. We're that good.
oh, okay. Okay. Take a hose.
Do
Hose
you
clamp.
need the light, or can I use the light to line
You can
those
do
guys
this.
You want
That's no
another
problem.
light?
Hose clamp. Take off. Screwdriver.
up? Okay.
We're gonna move the. I gotta put the plastics back and shit, but you can move it out of the way real quick. See. You can start close the roof.
Okay.
Tighten this. Ryan.
Strong man.
It's just super strong wrists. Or it could have been you. Maybe it was the day you were squeezing one of them cock tubes.
Oh, I was strong. Yeah, that cock tube is really hardcore.
I'm telling you. Have you ever had to put that shit on there before? Like when we do the sunroofs, there's like the windshield glue.
Windshield glue.
It's so hard to squeeze out.
So hard.
It is.
Stop!
I made
My
sure
fingers
this
is this.
Your
That's what
fingers
she said.
swell.
My fingers is them there. Martini sissies.
Watch out. I don't want to shout man down.
Nobody wants you to shout man down. Hands out of the way.
Well, I'm trying to guide because I got to bring this guy up and guide it. Can you come in?
Yeah, watch your fingers.
Lift it up some. Put a pry bar underneath it.
Well, right.
Yep.
Oh, hang
What are you trying to guide in?
on. The drop shaft.
Okay, so is it in or?
No. We gotta come towards me about 2 inches. Well, I got it here. I'll lift. Slow down, slow down.
I wanted to say watch your fingers and toes, but I was like, your toes are not there.
how's
But
that?
now
Now we're in.
It's in.
How does the gasket's good?
Yeah.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Yep.
All right. Okay, move this out of the way. Speed sensor
Need this.
plugged. I need the axle. And okay, axle tapped in. The axle shaft.
Yes.
Yes.
Axle shaft in.
Let me grab 2 bolts for it.
I need the rear bolts, please.
2 right here.
Yep.
I need a piece of.
So there's 2 different bolts.
I need that piece of wood.
Piece of wood.
Piece of wood.
Piece of wood.
Piece of wood. Give me. Beep, bop, 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 beep, bop, bop. Okay. All right.